go. Hello, Mr. Ray, are you alright? Mr. Ryan, are you alright?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have talk about the linked list before. How about let's say we have a linked list 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay, and that's it. And if the first node has the index like an array,
Like
index
this.
0, okay, and then this is
Look.
index 1,
This.
index 2, index 3. How about how about let's say we want to insert a new node 9 just right before the index 2. So index 2 is this node number 5. We want to insert the new node between the number 5 before the number 5. Okay, so it will become like this, yeah. So 1, 3, 9. This is the new node, yeah. This is a new node. 5, 7. Okay. Yeah. Make sense?
Yeah.
So this node, okay, can I have your attention please? This node is the inserted new node, okay? And how about, look, I have a node here, and can you draw a linked list with the number 2 inserted at the 0, index 0, before index 0, yeah, perfect, okay, so because look at this, because this is a very special case. Why is that? Because we are returning the node, the inserted node as a new head. Make sense? This head is not changing, but this head is changing. Yeah, we are inserting a new node, which becomes the head of the linked list, right?
He's the leader.
Yeah. Okay, so look, if I want to have look, this is a linked list. This is a node. Yeah, 1 points to 2. If I want to put a new node 3 right between this 1 to 2, what do you think? What's the steps? If there are 2 nodes, 1 point to 2, and I want to insert the node 3.
Okay,
So-
you pretend this guy is 3
Yeah.
and just yoink the 2 back.
Okay, that's one way. Yeah, but you don't know what happened next, right? You have to. Yeah, that's one way. But how about?
Then fine. I know.
How about? Okay.
I know. So you just cut this.
Yeah.
and
Cut
you-
it.
And put it here.
Yeah, but how? How to cut it?
I know.
How to?
By
returning dummy.net.
I'm just splitting it with no arrow.
Yeah. That's
And
first
then-
step. Yeah.
And then you put the 3 in the middle and then join it back.
Okay, you don't need to put a 3 middle. You just do this 1 and points to 3, and then 3 points to 2. Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. So that's one step. So but overall, we need to do what? Overall. Sorry.
I could twist my head.
Okay, so because we are changing the head, right? So we are not sure
I can't hold.
yeah. We are not sure if the new head, new value we inserted is going to be the head. Come on, listen to me. Yeah? What did I just say?
You said there can be a new head.
Yeah, okay. So look at this.
Yeah.
What do you call dummy.next?
Yeah.
Dummy.
Okay, so look, for the linked list, if we want to do it, we can have a dummy head. What does it mean? So it means that we create a head here.
It means that
Yeah?
you're not smart.
Your
Dummy.
head is not
What's
smart.
dummy mean?
It means that you're not
A dummy
smart.
is dumb.
Okay, dummy means that it's
It's a
not. Come on, listen to me. It's the node that which is we are not going to use it. Yeah, it's just a temporary node we are
Then
creating.
why do you call it dummy?
Okay, or extra. Okay, and then we point it to the head. This is the head, yeah.
You
This
could
is the
call
head.
it something like.
Okay, look.
Call it.
Listen to me. Listen to me.
Aaron.
So I create a dummy. I point to the
Reggie
head.
Rock.
Okay, and I walk to the. I walk to what? I walk to the node which going to insert before, right? So we walk here.
And then Eagles.
1, 2, 3 here. Yeah.
Reggie
So we are here. The head will become here.
Jesse.
But we also need to remember the previous node, which is this one, right? This is the previous node, right? So what should I do now? I have this value. I have this value. So look, this is exactly the situation. I want to insert the value between these three, the previous and the head, right? So the first step is previous.next equals the. I need to save this value first, okay? I need to save this value. Yeah. So previous.next equals value. and the value dot next will be equals the head, right? Yeah. Make sense? Look, because look, this previous dot next is this one, so I reassign to value. So I basically it's the same as cutting this and reassigning to value. A value is next. So in this way, we are actually putting a new value, a node between these two nodes. Make sense?
Yeah.
Make sense? Yeah? You sure? You sure? Okay, so let's do it. Let's do it. Any questions so far?
Nope.
Okay.
Nope. Nope.
Define let's say insert, and we have a head, and we have a value
And the
and a
dummy.
position. No, yeah. So look, if no head, if we are not giving anything empty, we just return the cell, yeah. Return a new node value, right? We don't care, right? We don't care about the position, because if the original linked list is empty, we just return it, right? And then, as I said, we have a dummy equals node, and
-1.
-1 or -2, it doesn't matter, yeah, or 0, it doesn't matter.
-0.
No.
0.
Do you understand what I'm talking about, huh? And then, what?
Fat dummy.
Okay. And then this will be the head. The second value will be the next, yeah? So you can say fat dummy equals node and fat dummy dot next equals head, okay? The second parameter is the next one, okay? So let's say we have this node, yeah? Linked list node, and then define in it
Self value
Self-
next equals none.
the
Self to
value
value
equal-
equal value. Self to next equal.
Yeah. Can you listen to me? Say value and then
Yeah, that's what I said.
next, yeah? Next equals now.
Yeah, that's what I said.
So now this is the constructor,
Yeah,
yeah?
that's
Self
good.
the value equals value equals value,
Yeah, that was
and
what I was about
self
to say.
the next equals next. Okay.
Yeah,
So,
that was what I was about to say.
but do you understand? Do you understand, huh? Yeah, I'm going to close this, okay?
I'm not looking right.
You're not looking, but you're shouting. Okay. So this is the definition of a linked list node. Come on, look at me. Don't look at the screen. This is yeah.
Wow.
Any question for this one?
No.
Okay. So look, the first parameter is the value. The second parameter is the pointer to the next node. Okay. So this one is the next node. And now we just need to find out the place. Yeah. So let's say previous equals dummy. Yeah. Fat dummy.
Fat dummy.
And then we can say for in
dummy.
range. We want to find out where it is. Yeah. Find out. So head equals head dot next. Head equal next, and then with previous equals head. Yeah. We need to store the previous one. Remember. Yeah. And now we can insert it. Yeah. So we can say previous dot next equals node value. Yeah, we are inserting this new node, right? Yeah. Look, this is previous. This is head. There's a link, and then we are inserting as the value here, right? Yeah. So look,
Extreme.
previous dot next equals node dot next. So that will become here, right? So what should I do next?
Wow.
Head value.
Okay, so I need to save this the previous dot
No, it is.
save this, yeah. So previous dot next equals head.
Dot next one.
Yeah.
Dot next. Not next.
Yeah, previous dot next is this one,
And then.
and dot next is head, right?
And then dot next.
Okay, and then return what? Can you tell me?
Fat dummy.
Fat dummy, we're returning fat dummy or fat dummy dot next?
Fat dummy. Dot next.
Yeah, fat dummy dot next.
Fat dummy.
Okay. Make sense here? Let me check. Look, previous head equals head dot next. Yes. So to repeat, okay, so we are finding the places, which is this bit, okay, this bit. We repeat position time. We walk position times, and then every time before we walk to the next, we remember its previous equals head, right? So when this loop ends, when we're here, the previous is one node before the head, right? Yeah. So previously it was like that, yeah. Yeah. Look, we want to insert a node.
Then you break it.
Yeah, the previous look. So then our previous dot next equals node of value, which is this one, right? And then previous dot next equals the head, right? All right. So return fat dummy dot next, right?
Fat dummy.
Yeah, make sense?
Yeah.
Make sense? What's the time complexity? If there are n number nodes, O(n), yeah. What's the space complexity? Are we using this additional space, constant time space, or linear space? Are we using any? What space are we using at this time? We're using a fat dummy. Let's see.
O(n).
O(n).
O(1).
O(1), yeah, because we have.
Fat. It's supposed to be O fat dummy. Fat dummy.
Okay.
Fat dummy.
Okay, that's it for today. Good job. That's it. Bye bye.
That isn't it.
Bye bye.
Bye.